Why are there not more people talking about Chevy Colorado Android Auto issues? If your phone won't connect, you're definitely not alone. Here's what you need to know. First, make sure your Chevy Colorado actually supports Android Auto. Most models after 2017 do, but double-check your manual just in case. Next, grab your charging cable. Not all cables work. Make sure you're using the original or a high-quality USB cable, because cheap ones often cause connection fails. Now restart both your phone and the truck's infotainment system. Seriously, it's basic, but it solves tons of weird glitches. Still stuck? On your phone, open Settings, tap Connected Devices, and confirm Android Auto is enabled. Make sure your phone software and the Android Auto app are both up to date. Inside your truck, try a different USB port. Sometimes only one port supports data and the others are just for charging. If you're still getting nowhere, go into your infotainment menu, remove your phone from the list of connected devices, then reconnect from scratch. And hey, if all else fails, some issues just need a dealership update. Don't be afraid to give your dealer a call. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be back to blasting your playlist with Android Auto in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes.